Do you believe that Khmer are very friendly?
Yeah, Khmer are very friendly.
Okay.
They always respect and always smile.
Maybe because you're only beautiful. Because with me, they don't smile a lot. No, just kidding. Welcome back to Aii Talks. This is, again, Jake. Well, you don't have a choice but to get me. But today, we have a very pretty, I think, very beautiful, I also think, guest for today. And she's from China. Amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's have Gia. I'm sorry, I mispronounced it.
Ivy. My name's Ivy.
I can call you Ivy.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, you can call
Ivy.
me.
Okay, I'll repeat myself. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Ivy for our talk show for today. Say hi to our...
Hi everyone, I'm Ivy. So stable.
She's very
Kanyom
cute.
Chmo Ivy. Yes.
Ah, that's how you say like your name, right?
Yeah, Kanyom Chmo means my name is.
Ivy. Okay.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
also studying Khmer?
A little from my workmates.
For your workmates. But in AI Language Center, you're currently studying English.
Yeah.
Okay. What level did you get?
The first test I get the 7 level 7.
Level 7. Good
Yeah.
job. So right now you're currently level 7.
Yeah.
How long did you stay here in Cambodia?
I plan more than 1 year or 2 years more than.
More than 1 year or 2 years.
Yeah.
But in AI, you studied for...
I will go on studying in AII.
Not so long, right?
No. Continue.
I mean, your length of stay, like you started only term 84, right?
84.
Yeah, term
Yeah.
84. Like, when did you start? What month did you start?
8 August.
August. Okay, so
Yeah.
very fresh. Only 2 months.
Yeah, only 2 months.
Okay. You have your TikTok account, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we can also share your TikTok account to them so that you can have more followers. But at the same time, you can have more Cambodian friends. Do you believe that Khmer are very friendly?
Yeah, Khmer are very friendly.
Okay.
They always respect and always smile.
Maybe because you're only beautiful. Because with me, they don't smile a lot. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding. I think I have the same experience as
Yeah.
you. I feel like most Cambodian people that I've met, they're really friendly, accommodating,
Yeah.
and yes, they really smile
Yeah.
a lot. Okay. So during you know Chumban, right?
Chumban.
Yeah, the celebration, the Khmer celebration, the holiday.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So Chumban is one of their religious celebration, right? And during Chumban, most of our Cambodians who are Buddhists, they celebrate it with their family. So, what's your religion, if you don't mind me asking?
Religion? I don't have religion in China.
So in China,
Yeah.
so you're like open to anything.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, but you don't. Okay, because there are two ways to say that. Either you don't believe in anything, or
No.
you're open to anything.
Open.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
I have a friend also. She doesn't have her religion, but she married a Buddhist, and she's kind of following through the Buddhist ways.
Maybe in the
Although-
future I will.
Yes. Okay. I'm Christian, and I also do not believe in Buddhism, but I do respect different religions, so
yes.
it's fine. You don't need to worry about that.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of your experiences in AII,
Yeah.
okay, can you walk me through a little bit about how did you know about AI Language Center? Because there are many language schools here in Cambodia.
yeah.
But why AII?
Yeah, the first reason is the AI is near my company, so go to have a lesson in AI is so convenient for me. And then I have heard the high quality of teaching about AI skills, so I choose AII.
I see. Very nice. Okay. You're very good in English already, huh? Good job. And now that you are in AII,
Yeah.
you think you can finish it? Because some of them who start learning a new language, not some. Actually, myself is included to that. I tried learning Spanish
Yeah.
And then I stopped midway. I just have a lot of excuses for myself. But for you, what do you think? Do you think you will stay until level 12 and complete the whole program? Okay.
I will make efforts.
You will make effort. Yeah. I
Yeah.
think that's the most important thing, to make an effort to actually complete or finish what you started.
I will.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, if there's any message that you would like to share to a lot of people about studying a new language or whatever it is, or what do you think you can share with them?
I think I will tell the other people that learning a different language is a process, and the more practice you have, and the more progress you will get. So don't be afraid to speak or listen, and have a try to show your ability.
Okay, very nice. Okay, we also have students here in AI who are studying Chinese.
Yeah.
I like you to share the same message but in Chinese with them.
Okay.
What's your message to all of our students right there who also wanted to learn a new language in Chinese? Okay.
OK，学习一门新的语言其实是个过程，我们不要怕尝试去说，去听，去和别人交流，我们练习的越多呢，我们的进步就会越大。OK, fine.
Okay, thank you so much. You're such a lovely guest. And I think I really enjoyed our short talks right here.
Yeah.
And hopefully you can really have a good experience studying here at AI Language Center.
Yeah.
And we're also hiring Chinese teachers. So maybe one day when you are you're currently working in is it a bank?
Yeah, Panda Bank.
It's a bank. Okay. You can say hi to your friends right there.
Hello, my workmates.
Hello.
Hello, my classmates.
Thank you so much again for joining us today, and hopefully we can see you more. And please don't forget to follow her TikTok account.
Yeah.
She has a TikTok account, and is it like for entertainment purpose, like something like? Do you do funny things, or what do you do in TikTok?
I just to take video to memory my life.
Oh, and
Yeah,
then
vlog.
a lot of people are following you.
Yeah,
Huh? If I share my memory of my life, a lot of people will, not
No. You're
just
so
kidding.
fun.
Okay.
Interesting.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This is again Jake, and you're watching AI Talks Season 2. Let's say bye-bye to the camera right there.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.